Discover a place surrounded by golden abundance. Imagine the finer things, like the exquisite luxury of time. To relax. To do whatever you desire. When people understand how special you are. Imagine a place surrounded by luxury, beauty, and elegance. A world which sets you apart from the rest, where your exclusivity is paramount. Spaces that are as expensive as your imagination. Imagine gazing through a place of paradise towards the impeccable, where the light of the sun and moon shine down on the secluded mountains. A place to challenge yourself. Turn your moments into memories. Discover what imagination can create. An unforgettable world where endless afternoons stretch into sparkling evenings. Celebrate the birthday of every new night. Hotel Noorjahan Grand. Experience the unbelievable.